We start new chapter, plant growth and mineral nutrition. From this chapter only 7.9, that is growth hormone. It is a part which is evaluative, meaning only questions will come on 7.9, that is only on growth hormone. So term hormone was coined by Sterling in 1906 in Animal Physiology. Internal factors that affect or influence growth are called growth hormones or growth regulators. What are growth hormones or growth regulator? Internal factor that affect or influence growth are called growth hormones or growth regulator. Growth hormones inhibit or promote or modify growth. How growth hormones act? They either inhibit meaning stop growth, or promote meaning enhances growth or modify growth. Plant hormones are grouped as growth promoters, which promote growth, and growth inhibitor, which retard growth or which inhibit growth. So these are two main types of plant hormones as growth promoter and growth inhibitors. Examples of growth promoters are auxins, gibberellins, commonly denoted as Ga, that is gibberellic acid, cytokinins or CK. These are examples of growth promoters. Growth inhibitors are ethylene and abscisic acid, commonly denoted as ABA. So remember examples of growth promoter and growth inhibitor. All phytohormones, phyto it is a term responsible for term plant hormones are growth regulators. How they regulate growth? Either by promoting or inhibiting growth. That's why plant hormones are growth regulators. Hormones are transported through phloem parenchyma. In 11th you have seen one of the conducting tissue, phloem, having parenchyma. So phloem parenchyma transport hormones from one area or from site of synthesis to the site of action. First of all, we study growth hormones. In that, first one is gibberellin. Gibberellins, mainly chemically they are gibberellic acids, denoted as Ga. Come to study their characters. Gibberellin, it is growth promoting hormone, promote growth. It is abundant in root tip and in developing seed. So what is site of occurrence? Root tip and developing seed. It shows non-polar transport, that is transported in all direction through vascular tissue phloem. सगळ्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन होणार थ्रू एजन्सी ऑफ phloem, that is phloem parenchyma. Gibberellins were first isolated from fungus Gibberella fusicuroi. What is name of fungus? Gibberella fusicuroi by Japanese scientist Kurosawa. Kurosawa observed that when rice plants was infected by fungus Gibberella fusicuroi, it shows extensive stem elongation. That is, stem elongation occur rapidly, extensively. Name of that disease is Bacchane disease. So is it clear regarding what is gibberellin, how it shows different features? Who discovered that gibberellin? Kurosawa, Japanese scientist. What is name of that fungus? Gibberella fusicuroi. And name of the disease? Bacchane disease. Which is feature of Bacchane disease? Stem elongation, extensive stem elongation. Then after, two more scientists, Yabuta and Sumiki, isolated crystalline form of gibberellin and name it as gibberellin. Come to study site of synthesis. Site meaning area, region where synthesis of gibberellin occur. So gibberellin is synthesized in young leaves, seeds, just we have seen root and stem tips. So growing regions, they are responsible for gibberellin synthesis, young leaves, seeds, root and stem tips. What is chemical nature of gibberellin? Gibberellins are synthesized from mevalonic acid. You have to remember this sentence, which is precursor of gibberellin, mevalonic acid. More than 150 chemical types are known. Out of that 150 chemical types, GA3, it is most common and biologically active form. Which is most common form of gibberellin? GA3, and it is biologically active form. Chemically, gibberellins contain gibbene ring. What is that gibbene ring? Cyclic diterpene with 4 isoprene units. Isoprene units. So that is a chemical nature of gibberellin. Important one is physiological effect and application of gibberellin. On this, generally a question is asked for 3 or 4 mark question. In that first one, dormancy of bird can be broken by gibberellin treatment. So when birds, they are treated with what we call gibberellin, it induces break of dormancy. Resting period get break, that is breaking of seed dormancy or bird dormancy. Second, it promotes seed germination. Seed germination is promoted. Seeds germinate easily in cereals like barley and wheat. So in cereal, seed germination occur easily. Third one, its most striking effect is elongation of stem, where internode increases in length, and hence it is applied to sugarcane plants and bamboo, where stem length is important. So striking effect is elongation of stem, where internode increases in length. Then next application, gibberellin promote bolting. What is this bolting? Elongation of internode just prior to flowering in plants with rosette habit. So elongates, internode elongates, म्हणजे स्टेमची लांबी आहे ही वाढणार. ह्याला काय म्हणायचं? बोल्टिंग. It gives rosette habit. Rosette meaning flower like or rose flower like appearance, as in case of beet and cabbage. Then it causes parthenocarpy. In first chapter we have seen phenomenon of parthenocarpy, formation of fruit without fertilization. As in case of tomato, apple, pear, they show parthenocarpy when applied with gibberellin. Then gibberellin induces flowering in long day plants under short day condition. So depending on light requirement, plants, they belong to two types, mainly two types. One more additional type is also there. So here in long day plants, as name indicate, more sunlight is required. But when light conditions are short, when plants are treated with gibberellin, they induces flowering. Then next one, it is used to increase fruit size and bunch length in grapes. Fruit size of grape and size of bunch in grape get increased when it is applied to genetically dwarf plants. Genetically dwarf meaning which are originally dwarf plants like maize. Stem rapidly elongates and acquire height of normal tall varieties. जी प्लांट्स जेनेटिकली ड्वार्फ आहेत, छोट्या साईजची आहेत, उंचीने बुटकी आहेत, फॉर एक्झाम्पल मेज, अशा प्लांटला जिबरेलिनची ट्रीटमेंट दिली तर त्यांची हाईट आहे ही वाढते. देन ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ जिबरेलिन ओव्हरकम रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ व्हर्नलायझेशन. व्हॉट इज दिस व्हर्नलायझेशन? व्हर्नलायझेशन मीन्स लो टेम्परेचर ट्रीटमेंट फॉर सीड जर्मिनेशन. ज्यावेळेला सीड जर्मिनेशन होत असतं त्याला टेम्परेचर लो असेल, जर्मिनेशन ऑकर इझिली, तर जिबरेलिनची ट्रीटमेंट दिली तर व्हर्नलायझेशन आहे हे करावं लागत नाही, म्हणजे लो टेम्परेचर ट्रीटमेंट द्यावी लागत नाही. बिकॉज ऑफ ॲक्शन ऑफ जिबरेलिन सीड्स दे इझिली अंडरगो जर्मिनेशन. देन नेक्स्ट वन, जिबरेलिन्स इनहिबिट growth of roots, delay senescence, senescence meaning early fall or premature fall of plant parts, and prevent abscission. Abscission meaning natural fall of plant parts like flower, birds, fruits, leaves. Their abscission, natural fall, get prevented by action of gibberellin. Then gibberellin breaks seed dormancy and hastens their germination. Hastens meaning increases speed of seed germination. Seed germination break होणार आणि सीड डॉर्मन्सी ब्रेक होणार आणि सीडचं जर्मिनेशन आहे हे क्विक इझी होणार. हास्टन्स सीड जर्मिनेशन. अँड लास्ट वन, ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ जिबरेलिन कॉजेस प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मेल फ्लॉवर्स ऑन female plant. So that is also important in plants where there are two different plant bodies, male and female. तर फिमेल प्लांटवरती मेल फ्लॉवर प्रोड्यूस होऊ शकतात. प्लांट इज अप्लाइड विथ जिबरेलिन. सो हिअर वी हॅव सीन हाऊ मेनी ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ जिबरेलिन? 12 ॲप्लिकेशन. तर 4 मार्काचा क्वेश्चन असेल, लॉंग क्वेश्चन सेक्शन डी खाली, तर मिनिमम तुम्हाला 8 ॲप्लिकेशन लिहावी लागतील. 8 अधिक 1 म्हणजे 9 ॲप्लिकेशन्स आहेत. 9 ॲप्लिकेशन तुम्ही व्यवस्थित करून ठेवा. एक ॲप्लिकेशन नेहमी ॲडिशनल द्यायचं. इज इट क्लिअर? सो हिअर ॲज फार ॲज जिबरेलिन इज कन्सर्न्ड, आय हॅव गिव्हन 2 क्वेश्चन्स फॉर होमवर्क. डिस्क्राईब कॅरेक्टर्स, साईट ऑफ सिंथेसिस अँड केमिकल नेचर ऑफ जिबरेलिन. हा एक क्वेश्चन दिलेला आहे. आणि दुसरा काय आहे बरं? डिस्क्राईब फिजिओलॉजिकल इफेक्ट्स अँड ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ जिबरेलिन. फिजिओलॉजिकल इफेक्ट ॲप्लिकेशन एकाच जे 12 आपण पाहिले हे सगळे फिजिओलॉजिकल इफेक्ट आणि ॲप्लिकेशनमध्ये येतात. सो इज इट क्लिअर? दॅट इज रिगार्डिंग फर्स्ट ग्रोथ प्रमोटर जिबरेलिन. देन आफ्टर कम टू स्टडी second cytokinin. So cyto related with cell. Kinesis meaning division. It is a hormone responsible for cell division. So as name indicate, what is its main role? Main role of cytokinin is that it promote cell division, responsible for increase in number of cell division. Lidam coined the term cytokinin. Cytokinins was first discovered by Skoog and Miller in period of 1954. म्हणजे रिसेंट डिस्कव्हरी आहे. 1954 आफ्टर इंडिपेंडन्स स्वातंत्र्य मिळाल्यानंतर हे जे सायटोकायनिन आहे हे डिस्कवर झालेलं आहे. ड्युरिंग स्टडी ऑफ न्यूट्रिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ कॅलस टिश्यू कल्चर स्टडी करत असताना स्कूग आणि मिलरला सायटोकायनिनची डिस्कव्हरी झाली. ऑफ विच प्लांट? निकोशियाना टोबॅकम. यू नो निकोशियाना टोबॅकम मिनिंग तंबाखू. सो स्कूग वर्क ऑन निकोशियाना प्लांट. Then when nutrient medium was supplemented with coconut milk meaning coconut water, जे शहाळ्याचं पाणी आपण पितो ते, and degraded sample of DNA from herring sperm. Herring is a type of fish. Callus proliferated. Now what is this callus? Callus meaning undifferentiated cell mass. ज्या सेलचं डिफरन्सिएशन झालेलं नाही अशा सेलचं मास, त्याला म्हणायचं कॅलस. स्कूग अँड मिलर नेम धिस सबस्टन्स ॲज कायनेटीन. केमिकली कायनिन्स आर 6 फर्फ्युरल अमायनो प्युरिन. सो केमिकली these are purine bases, amino acid with purine compounds. First natural cytokinin was obtained from unripe maize grain by Lidam, ETAL meaning others, Lidam and others, and known as zeatin. मेजचं सायंटिफिक नेम आहे झिया मेज, आणि म्हणून मेजमधून जे सायटोकायनिन मिळालं ह्याचं नाव आहे झियाटिन. 6-benzyl adenine is synthetic cytokinin hormone. So on this they may ask question, which is synthetic cytokinin? So it is 6-benzyl adenine. 7 different types of cytokinins are recorded from plants. So number of cytokinins are 7, which are from natural source. Natural cytokinins are also reported from banana flowers. Have you seen banana flowers? They act as a source of natural cytokinins. Then from apple, tomato fruits and coconut milk. And hence these extracts of these banana flower, apple, tomato or coconut milk, they are used as growth promoters in tissue culture. What are physiological effects and applications of cytokinin? We have seen it is responsible for cell division. So important effect is promotion of cell division. Second, it also promotes cell enlargement. Enlargement meaning increase in size. Third one, high cytokinin promote shooting. Shooting meaning development of shoot, development of bud and development of stem. Low cytokinin and high auxin induces rooting. ऑक्झिनचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन जास्त असेल तर काय होणार? रूटिंग म्हणजे रूट फॉर्मेशन होणार. सायटोकायनिनचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन जास्त असेल तर शूटिंग म्हणजे शूट किंवा स्टेम फॉर्मेशन होणार. सायटोकायनिन अँड ऑक्झिन रेशो अँड देअर इंटरॅक्शन्स कंट्रोल morphogenic differentiation. Morphogenic differentiation meaning formation of root and formation of stem. It is under control of ratio of cytokinin and auxin. Cytokinin promotes growth of lateral buds. फांदीला जे लॅटरल बर्ड्स असतात त्यांची ग्रोथ प्रमोट करण्याचा रोल आहे सायटोकायनिन. अँड कंट्रोल अपायकल डॉमिनन्स बाय सेल डिव्हिजन. अपायकल डॉमिनन्स म्हणजे अपायकल बर्डचा डॉमिनन्स. फक्त अपायकल बर्ड आहे, फांदीच्या किंवा ब्रांचच्या एंडला असलेली बर्ड फक्त ग्रो होत राहते, त्यामुळे त्या ब्रांचची किंवा स्टेमची लेंथ वाढते. याला म्हणायचं अपायकल डॉमिनन्स. तर अपायकल डॉमिनन्स कंट्रोल करण्याचा रोल आहे सायटोकायनिनचा. नेक्स्ट रोल, सायटोकायनिन डिले सेनेसन्स और एजिंग अँड ॲब्सिशन प्रोसेस इन प्लांट ऑर्गन्स ॲज अ रिपोर्टेड बाय रिचमंड अँड लँग. आणि म्हणून ह्याला आणखी एक नाव आहे रिचमंड लँग इफेक्ट. So what is that? Delay senescence or aging and abscission process. The next one, formation of interfascicular cambium and expansion of cell. आता इंटरफेसिक्युलर कॅम्बियम हा कन्सेप्ट तुम्हाला माहीत नाही आहे, हा एकदा आपण पाहून घेऊया. तुम्ही मला कॉल करा, तुम्ही मला विचारा, मग मी सांगेन इंटरफेसिक्युलर किंवा प्रॅक्टिकलच्या वेळेला सांगेन. Then it breaks dormancy and promotes seed germination. So breaking of seed dormancy, germination, seed germination promotion, it is also role of cytokinin. Cytokinin reverses meaning opposes effect of apical dominance. म्हणजे अपायकल डॉमिनन्स हे इनहिबिट करतं आणि ब्रांचेसची लॅटरल ग्रोथ ही वाढवतं. And last one, it induces RNA synthesis. So 11 applications are given. You have to prepare 9 applications as far as your convenience is concerned. 11 पैकी कोणतीही 9 ॲप्लिकेशन जी तुम्हाला सोपी वाटत छोटी आहेत ही तयार करून ठेवायची आहेत. एखादं मोठं ॲप्लिकेशन आहे तुम्हाला लक्षात येत नसेल, समजत नसेल तर ते सोडून दिलं तरी चालेल. बट यू हॅव टू प्रिपेअर ॲटलिस्ट 9 ॲप्लिकेशन. सो इज इट क्लिअर? दॅट इज रिगार्डिंग सेकंड ग्रोथ हार्मोन, ग्रोथ प्रमोटर सायटोकायनिन. ओके.